how to fix screen sharing option not working in Zoom problem. Hello friends, welcome back to how to fix it YouTube channel. So guys, if you are in Zoom and guys, if you want to share screen and if you are unable to do screen sharing, then guys, you must watch this video. Okay, you might have some problems while sharing up the screen on your device. Okay, so guys, whatever device you are using, so you can watch this video. And guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. So guys, it's happened some because of some settings. Okay, sometimes it happens because of some settings, and guys, sometimes it happens because of the application problem. Okay, so just watch the video and follow the process. You can solve out the problem. So now the thing is what you have to do here. Okay, the solution. So go to Play Store and guys, make sure to update you and use your Zoom app. Okay, you have to be sure that your Zoom is up to date. If your application is not up to date, then guys, you will face this kind of problem definitely. So make sure to update your application. Okay, and guys, make sure that your phone software is also up to date. So for that, you have to go to system update on your setting, and from here you can update your phone software. Okay, so after doing all these things, guys, what you have to do here is go to Zoom. Okay, go to Zoom, and then guys, I'll show you how you have to do it. So let's start. Okay, so now let's start up the meeting. Okay, let's start a meeting. So only if you are a host, then only you can do screen sharing. Okay, otherwise you cannot do it. Okay, always remember that if you are just a participant, then guys, you cannot share. You need to do this setting. Okay, from there you can share your screen. By any chance if the problem is not fixing, then guys, restart your application. So for that, you have to go to setting, scroll down to go to application and permissions, and then go to app manager. So here you may find app manager, manage apps, or install app. So you have to go there, and then just wait. Okay, scroll it down, go to Zoom, and after that you have to turn on it, and then you have to go to internal storage, clear up the data, and then click OK. So after clearing the data, go to permissions and allow the permissions. Okay, allow all the permissions, and after allowing all the permission, restart your phone, go back to Zoom, and this will definitely solve the issue. Okay, and by any chance if the problem is not fixing by doing all the solution, then guys, just reinstall your application. Okay, uninstall it and reinstall it from the Play Store, and this will help you to fix the problem. That's it. Okay, so this is how you have to fix the problem. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. And guys, if you have any kind of problem, instead of shouting, just tell me, okay, what is your actual problem, so I can help you on the comment section. Thanks for watching.